This the last day time we sink or swim.